I never thought taking a shower could be terrifying until I had a near slip last month that completely shook me. It made me realize that the most dangerous room in our house is actually the bathroom, and I knew I had to do something before a real accident happened. What I found to fix this completely changed everything, and I am going to reveal exactly what it is in just a moment. Before I get to the rest of the story, I want to quickly mention that if you want to skip ahead and secure your own safety right now, there is a special link in the description below with an up to 70% off discount, but it is a very limited time offer. So after that huge scare, I looked into permanent grab bars, but they required expensive installation, drilling, and ruined walls. I did not want permanent damage. Then I discovered Ultragrip Assist. It is an instant suction support handle that gives you extra stability exactly when you need it most. I simply pushed the strong dual-lock suction grip system against my shower tiles, and with one click, it was locked in securely in seconds. No tools, no screws, no permanent installation. It is made of durable ABS material and industrial suction components, so it holds incredibly well on smooth, flat, non-porous surfaces like glass, acrylic, and tile. The curved ergonomic anti-slip grip is so comfortable and gives me instant confidence whether I am stepping into the shower or getting up from the toilet. It is even lightweight and travel-friendly, so I can take it with me to family homes or hotels. It provides such reliable everyday support, and honestly, the peace of mind is priceless. If you or a loved one needs that extra balance support without the hassle of tools and wall damage, you have to try this. Right now, there are only 53 left in stock, and they are flying off the shelves. Do not wait until an accident happens. Click the link in the description right now to claim your 70% off discount and get your Ultragrip Assist before they sell out. Plus, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have absolutely nothing to lose. Click that link below and stay secure.